quick video real quick. One of my hens out there in the hen house is broody, one of the buffs, which buffs are usually broody quite a bit. A lot of people do not like this, and they'll stick them in a small cage and break them of it. I love broody hens because I love trying to get chicks. And so I have tons of my own eggs, but I wanted to get something different. So I went and picked up these eggs, and they're from down the road. And what they are is the man that bought that real pretty rooster about 2 or 3 weeks ago, my big rooster. He put them on black I forget the chicken name, the big old black chickens. And he has some big old barred rock hens in there too. And so with the daddy's painted up markings and those big old hens, that's going to be some pretty babies if I can get them to hatch. Okay, so that's where these eggs came from. I do have my own eggs, but I'd rather try those. I want to get some out of those. Okay, how I'm going to do it, since she's in there with all those other chickens, your main problem is she's probably not the dominant one. And so you have a very high possibility of other hens laying to her, which means every day they go in there and run her out or sit beside her and lay an egg on top of her eggs, okay? So what I do is it takes a chick 21 days to hatch. And so on all the eggs I'm putting underneath them, I'm going to put a 21, and then I'm going to squiggle on it with a pencil. You can't use a pen. A pencil's fine. It won't hurt it. A pen, the ink will hurt the yolk and they won't hatch. Or usually they won't. Sometimes they will. But all these eggs have squiggly marks on them with a date, just with pencil. And the reason for that is every couple days I'll go out there and look underneath her and make sure all the eggs that are under her have those squiggly marks. If there's any that do not have squiggly marks, that means that somebody's laying to her, and I'll have to try something different. I'll move her by herself somewhere, or I'll close up where she's at. That way nothing can get to where she's at. But hopefully in 21 days we'll have some chicks, and it'll be interesting to see what they turn out looking like. All right, talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.